As a seasoned partner to businesses in the animal and food processing industry, Kwixand Solutions knows the ins and outs of the challenges you face. This insight enables us to offer tailored solutions that fit your exact needs. Partnering with a team that's not only well-versed in your field but also holds a deep understanding and appreciation for the challenges you face ensures you're partnering with someone who genuinely values your objectives and possesses the expertise to assist you in achieving your goals. For animal and food processors, that means providing tools for managing regulatory compliance and quality control, creating custom solutions for complex input and output measurements and inventory alignment, and ensuring your new solution has adequate capacity for intricate specialization of your detailed production orders. By implementing specialized solutions, from in-depth auditing and compliance review and custom compliance solutions, to extended attribute recording and automated serialization and tracking, you can streamline your processes and gain valuable insights into your production workflows and strategies to help you make the right choices and attain tangible results. Your success is our priority. Let our expertise guide you to the right solution to achieve your goals.